Okay, hello guys. This is me Kaleem, and today I will show you using the Bing.com that what are the different insurance companies working in United States. So this is Google, and I'm going to type the main term, the insurance companies working in USA, and I'm going to click the enter button. So there are a lot of websites open in front of me. The first one is the list of all the insurance companies and their top services like in USA. The Guardian Life Insurance Company of America is the Guidline Venture Insurance, and these are the different insurance companies working in America till now. Like there is say the list of United States insurance companies powered by Wikipedia, the top 25 highest rated insurance companies 2022, the list of largest insurance companies powered by Wikipedia, the top 100 US properties and casualties insurance companies, and these are their websites. Okay, I'm scrolling down, and this is the another link, and this link is powered by wikipedia.org, and here we can see that the list of the United States insurance company powered by wikipedia.com. Overview, US insurance companies, CEO. If you want to see all the links connected or related to the insurance companies working in USA, you can click on this site. Okay, got it. This is the another 21st century insurance, casualty insurance, FLA's life, allied insurance. All of these websites are available. You can see, you can visit to these websites very easily. All of these are the map. You can see the map of all these insurance companies stated in the United States. Okay, you can see the Great West States Farm Insurance Companies. This is their websites. If you want to go to their place, this is the direction. You can go and click on the direction so you can see where they locate. This is the phone number of these, and these are open tomorrow at 9 a.m. and now they are closed. Okay, got it. This is the Brock Whitemore States Farm Insurance Companies. This is their website, and this is the directions of their farm. You can see the address of these companies, and you can also see the phone number of these companies. Okay, Insurity Life Insurance Company. Facebook has 75 lives. This is the insurance companies, and the address is 20,000 square millimeter, Lincoln 402-476-6500 is the phone number of the company. Okay, so let's scroll down, see more results. If you want to see the more insurance companies working there, you can click on this. American Best Insurance Company 2022, powered by Forbes.com. And if you want to follow the Forbes.com, so this is their website. If you want to find out the major companies of the top companies, insurance companies working in America, you can also follow after Wikipedia.com, after the Bing.com, and after the Google.com. So the fourth position is the Forbes.com. Forbes.com is the very best website if you want to search any kind of topic, any kind of thing, any kind of animals related things, any kind of whatever you want to search. Forbes.com is the best website to show all the result related to any term which you want to search in these terms. So here we can see, we can search the American Best Insurance Company. So Forbes.com also give us the result on it. Okay, another thing is Zapier.com, best companies to work from in America, and you can see the partner group Zippy score is 4.9. Companies highlight the partnership program provides in all the stuff related to these things. The top insurance companies powered by glassdoor.com, and this is a lot of things. You can see the reviews of all the thing. You can see the reviews of all the company situation in this. So this is, guys, this is all the thing which we covered today, and tomorrow I will show you more results related to the United States and what are the different best insurance companies working in USA. Okay, stay with me. Thank you very much. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.